Hi everyone. Today is excellent day for test the backpack, and this is a black backpack, and this is from motorsports, but I don't have a motor, but I test here in a town. Okay, we will see what's happened today. See you later. Unusual design. Alien. And today is -1, and it's very cold, but you can see here what is it? Dinosaurs. Yeah, I test my backpack with the dinosaurs. It's a crazy time. And as you can see, this is it for today. This backpack is excellent. Yes, he is for motorsports, but I test here in a town, nature, urban placement, and yeah, he is okay, really okay. It's a minus, and he is very well. Okay, this is it for today, and see you next time. Ciao.